As a lot of you might know, I don't just write malware. I actually write a lot of web applications, and I'm actually in the middle of kind of a challenge, so to speak, to release a bunch of web applications within the next year, 10 or so, within 12 months. I'm announcing my next web application release. It is a free tool called SecLinks, which is basically a tool that allows you to manage all of the different links that you create over the course of a security investigation. I just kind of noticed that after investigating a given indicator, I've got like 5 or 6 different links to various different platforms. So VirusTotal, domain tools, Censys, a bunch of other osint sites to kind of gather information about those indicators. And it got really, really annoying just kind of maintaining lists in text documents or Excel spreadsheets or whatever to kind of manage all of that. So I created SecLinks, which is just a free tool that basically allows you to have one link for each indicator so that you can kind of very easily manage all of that information. So let's go through the quickest demo ever. We've got the SecLinks web page here. It is as simple as humanly possible. There's not much flair to it, but let's go to https:// let's just say sketchydomain.com, press submit. And here you've got links to all of the different, sites that you can use to kind of look into that domain. This also works for hashes. So you can put in a SHA-256, MD5, SHA-1 hash, but there's not a ton of different, sites that I've got added there to kind of build links based off of. I'm planning on adding VirusTotal once I kind of figure out how to manage that with their API. But right now it's really, really good for domains. So you can go to the whois information, the urlscan.io information there. It doesn't have much there because I don't think it's actually registered. So if we go back, I'll just go back here and let's just say gmail.com, submit. And we've got the same information for Gmail. Obviously that is registered. You get all of the registration information here. And basically the purpose of this is, okay, I'm not going to share 4 different links out to Twitter or to my Slack or to whatever. I can just share this one link out to my Slack group or to whatever Discord server that I'm sharing this information out to. And these individual people can have access to all of these different domains. So this is not done. This is obviously in its alpha state, or I guess an open beta. I have launched it on ProductHunt. If you're not familiar with ProductHunt, it's basically a place where people put their projects up there. Some paid, some free. Obviously, this one's free. And it's just kind of like information for folks who are launching stuff. So if you would like, go to the link on the webpage to give that an upvote, check it out, read more about it, blah, blah, blah. That's about it. This is a very simple tool. I'm planning on adding more links. That's kind of like the main thing, and adding some more functionality to it. So seriously, hit me up on Twitter if you've got especially osint sites that you use for looking into hashes, like file indicators. That would be super, super useful. If you've got recommendations there, I am very open and willing to listen to those. That's about it. Simplest launch video ever. Take it easy. Peace.